and whatever the ratings you have here, you can see that reliability A, security A, wonderful, security review, maintainability I got a B, and coverage nothing is done, and duplication, size, and complexity. Do you want to browse the code? Here it is. 31 lines of code. In reality, it will be more. 4 report smell. Can I browse this? These are the two files. Here you have a two smells. Here you have two smells. Maintainability issues. Look at the code. Where is the issues? Click on it, and here you will see that what kind of issues you have it, and you need to fix it. This will be loved by developers. How many scans you did it? Only one scan. If you do the more scan, it will be configured. Make sure that when you run the next scan, every time you change the version, so that way this tool will come to know, okay, what is the difference between the 1.6 version of code and 1.7 version of code, and so on. Guys, are you understanding, all of you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the enterprise solutions. Like that, you will have hundreds of projects, and everyone will use that. Now, all the issues. See here, that was I was showing you the project specific issues. If you want to see the issues for every project, here it is. Okay. So right now, only one projects. So you can see that total 1 hour of effort is required. What is the rules here? So rules, I told you, rules are nothing but the code actually. So now we'll see that here at a sonarQube, you have thousands of rules. How many rules you have? 2813. So what sonarQube has done it in the community edition, they have introduced all the rules which were easily available free of cost. In fact, some of them they developed it, and most of them they have got it from here and there and put it up together. All these are because community edition is a free to use it. So any rules which is having the GNU license free to use it, they have put it up. So if you look at these Java related rules, C Sharp, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and all the languages, you see that. So these are the number of rules. So I told you at sonarQube, you have a database for the rules. And this is the database of the rules. Now you say, Rajesh, I want more rules. No problem. You can install the more rules. This is all nothing but the code, some Java code. So there's so many ways to install it. One of the ways, easiest way, go to the administration. First, can you please read the rules, Java rules, how many rules we have in the Java? How many rules we have in Java?
627.
Wonderful. I'm going to install the rules. Administration, go to the marketplace. Here you have to say, okay, first time I understand the risk. And here you can install the plugins. Plugins means additional feature you can install to the sonarQube. Rules is also is additional features. I'm not sure, so I'll just search for it. These are the rules which is available. Okay. So look at this, it's a free or not free. You can check it out. So right now I'm going for install the check style rule, which is for the Java based project. Install it. Okay, so I'm installing the few more rules which is freely available. Yeah, paid also you can get it, you can buy. So where is the rules we can get it? So sonar plugin, this is a dedicated portal sonar has developed for it. Sonar plugins, this is the one. And this portal, you see that I mean it's growing a lot actually. It's 157. So here you will find some of the rules free of cost, some of the rules are commercial, you have to buy it and stuff like that. Most of the security rules you'll find it's a paid one only. Anyways, come back to this. This plugin installed is a free to use it, I know that, and restart the server. Yes, you can restart through the command line, you can restart through the web also. That's up to you. Just wait for a few seconds. Anyone remember that what were the rules of Java before installing the plugins? All of you? All of you? 627, correct? So now I'll
Yeah,
go to
totally.
this refresh. Done almost. Here ADMIN, password ADMIN123 here. And now let me show you the rules. See 812. Additionally we install 150 plus rules. So this is how you can manage your centralized place for entire rules used in your organization at one place as per the programming language. Most of the rules you can find easily open source, but many rules related to security mainly you will find the commercial paid one, you have to buy it. Are you comfortable so far, all of you?
Yeah, I'll go to it.
Okay, now next thing you see is quality profile. What is a quality profile? Look at it very carefully. Quality profile. Here you have a C++ one profile, CSS one profile, and if you see that built named with built sonarWay built-in default. So the question is, what is a profile? And you see, is for each language there's one profile created, and so built-in and default. So what is this profile? So guys, what happens? Mind it. Here in a Java, you have 812 rules, but you don't want to run all the rules on your project. Yes, you don't want to rule. So how do you create a profile for the rules which you want to run it for your projects? So what sonarQube has done it for every language, there is a one rule quality profile it has created and named with the sonarWay built in a default. You cannot delete this one, but you can create your own rules. So quality profiles are a collections of rules to apply during an analysis. So by now I was using the rules which was built in and default for me, and which was Java sonarWay, and I used 24 minutes, sorry, 11 minutes ago. How many rules you have? Around 479 rules. So the question is, can we create one quality profile for your own project, which is DevOps School? So yes, you can create it. Create a quality profile. This is for DevOps School. You can make it Java language, which is here, and then create it. Now, how many rules you have active in this profile? 0. How many rules you have at the sonarQube? 812. What to do? Activate. Select, do you want this one? Yes. Do you want this one? Yes. I don't have a patience because this will be done by someone senior developers with lots of patience and all. Right now I don't have a patience. So what I'll do, bulk changes, activate every rules in this profile of Java. Simple. So one by one you'll have to do that, by the way. There's some rules got ignored, some rules got deprecated and done. Can I go to my quality profile, Java sections, and here this is the DevOps school rule project none. How many rules are active? 8 minutes, never used, and so on. Click on it, and then what you do, you change the projects. Right now it has not associated with any projects, so change the project, all DevOps school chat, close this. So now I must want you to look at this. There's one line here before running. uh, Quality profile, see here. Earlier it was used quality profile, sonarWay, but this time I modify this code version 1.7 and then run the scanner on the source code. There's no code changes I have done, but of course I have modified the profile. That means on the same code I am running the more rules. This is something which I'm doing, and that is called quality. That is through the quality profile. So here, what I did, I customized the quality profile. And here somewhere, if you see that, let it come. See here, quality profile for DevOps school. See that? So DevOps school has so many rules, and remember that new version of it. Let it complete it. So are you understanding, guys? Any questions so far on the on this on any front? Anyone?
So Rajesh, sonarQube also supports a Terraform, right? Codes written in Terraform.
Terraform linting tools are available. Cube you won't find it. Remember, the sonarQube is having special configuration language, and it's not a global language, only for Terraform only. So if you say, okay, Terraform is supporting JSON, YAML, yes, Go, yes. So sorry, sonarQube, then you can try. But I've not seen that Terraform, that .tf code. So
Okay,
I doubt, actually, to be honest.
okay,
Yeah.
thanks.
So now you see that only two source code. Now I'm using two source code for the demo, but if you use the 20, 30, 40, 50 programs, it's going to take a lot of time. So remember that. So lots of compute you need it, lots of resources you need to run it. Just for the demo, I'm using the only two source code. But if you run on the real source code, it might take 1 hour, 2 hours also. So please remember that. Just wait for it. It's taking time. Okay, so almost done, guys. See here. So So just little wait, because it's just you are running 800 rules, so it will take some time. Though the source code, number of source code, it's taking time. I don't have a patience here. Almost done. Yeah. So here you see that execution successful. Now you look at this reports. Go to the project and go to the DevOps school. And now if you see that how many number of smells you got it. So here overall code. Oh no, this is not refresh. Just wait for it. 43. You see that? Maybe it's a false flag, most of it, but you got it. How much of work is required for fixing all these issues? 3 hours.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.